Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Dying Light the Beast game crashing at a startup, crashes to desktop, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dying Light the Beast game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx12, then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then again go to properties and in the launch options type -dx11 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. Now this fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. But in case if it doesn't work for you, then again go to properties and then remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2. Perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having a AMD graphic card driver, then go to AMD website. If you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website and then install the latest version of graphic card driver and perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you are on this NVIDIA website, now select your version of graphic card driver from here, then select the Windows operating system, then click on find. Now you have to download this GeForce Game Ready driver. The latest version will show on the top. So the driver version is 581.29. Now click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click on OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then check mark this box, perform a clean installation and then hit next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check. Now this has also solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now fix 3 is to tweak these settings. So try to reduce draw distance quality as it felt like a rendering issue caused it. Then switch upscaler to TAAU. The game had it as default on start and the game played for a while. And then check your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to delete Dying Light the Beast saved folder in documents. Please take a note, you will lose all saved settings and game progress, hence keep the backup of the folder to the desktop first. Now go to this PC, on the left click on documents. Now right click on Dying Light the Beast folder and first copy this folder and paste it to desktop and then right click on it and select delete to delete it. Now launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Dying Light the Beast game and select properties. Go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification has been done, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to uninstall and reinstall Dying Light the Beast game. So if nothing seems to work, then uninstall Dying Light the Beast game from your PC, restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to external SSD drive or another SSD drive and then launch the game and check. And the last one, if none of the solutions work for you, then wait for the patch from the developers to fix the problem. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to easily fix crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.